In this tutorial, we will write a Java program to reverse a number. So let's start with taking a number from user, and I'll say enter a number. User will enter the number. We store it into a number equals to reader dot text int, and I also initialize a reversed number equals to 0 in the start, and we will store a reversed number into this variable. And what we do is we will take the number, we will take the remainder by 10 so that we can get the last number. For example, if we have 1 2 3, so what we do is we take its remainder 1 2 3 remainder by 10. This will be equals to 3, and now we need to attach it this 3 number in the reversed. So what we will do is we will say reversed equals to 3, but this is not true, so I give exclamation mark because I need to change this. Why do I need to change this? I will explain. So once we have taken the remainder by 3, I will divide it by 10 so that because we have already got the 3, so it becomes 12. 3 is eliminated, and next time our 1 to 3 our number will be 12. So we will take remainder 12 remainder by 10. Now we have 2, but if we say reversed equal to 2, that is not true. We need to attach 2 at the end of it. Okay, so how can we do so? I cannot add 2 plus 3, this will be 5. So I can do so by multiplying it by 10. This will become 30, and then I will add my remainder, which is 2. So this will give me 3 multiplied by 10. 30 plus 2 equals to 32. So that is how I can basically attach my last number with this. I remove the exclamation mark because our process will go something like this. A number, which is this will be our reverse number. I'll multiply it by 10 and I'll add my remainder. Okay, and my remainder will be this. So let's the logic, I hope you understand. So let's start a loop. We go on until our number is not equals to 0. Okay, and we take the remainder. Let's say integer remainder equals to a number remainder by 10. Okay, and we say reversed is equals to reversed multiply by 10. This will give us 0 at the end of it, and we will add a remainder on the position. So this will be attached at the end of the number, like we did in we attached 2 at the end of 3. We are multiplying 10 by reversed, and we are adding the remainder. Okay, and then since I have already reversed my last digit, so I need to eliminate that, and in order to eliminate that I need to divide the number by 10. Okay, so this will basically eliminate the number. So let's say if your number is 123, you divide it by 10, this becomes 12.3. But since your number is an integer data type, 0.3 will be ignored and only 12 will be assigned to this number, which means 3 is now eliminated. So every time we are talking remainder, we are taking last digit at a time, we are adding it to the first number, and we go on adding at the end of it, and we are decreasing eliminating one number at a time until our number is 0. So at the end of this loop, we will have the reverse number in our reverse variable. So we print that the reverse number is, and it is number. Oh, not number, but reversed. Okay, so let's run it and see if this logic works out. Okay, so enter a number. I enter 1 2 3 4 5, and we have 5 4 3 2 1, which is perfect. Or I enter, let's say I enter 2021, and this is 1202, which is 1202 1202. So the number is reversed. So that's it with this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in next tutorial.